Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 134 of building the Ecto-1. This time we're starting the main assembly piece. We've got this, which I've just looked at, and it fits exactly in there. So we're obviously building this up like that. Careful not to lose bits from it. Building this up first and then attaching it later, which is fine. I'm happy with that. So we're not even using that immediately. First things we're doing is building these. These are the input tubes. So we've got the two halves to those to put together like that, and obviously like that as well. And then we've got these to stick to the outsides there. Now that's the trickiest bit. We've got the self-adhesive pads here. 3 of them. So basically we've got to peel off one side of the paper, which that's paper now. So one side of that then goes on to the inside of this. A bit like that. And then we peel off the other side of this, leaving the sticky side on there, which is going to go onto there. Like that. So I've got to do the same as that on the other side with the other one of those. We'll put these in place with GP screws, and then we'll fix these stickers to them. So let me get these screws in, and then get these ready to be attached. Right, so that's that all attached. Both sides of that done as well. We need to fix this onto the bottom of that using 2 of these ZP screws. And these bits are in fact decals again. Not just from last time, but we're using decals for this bit as well. So I've got those in some more warm water. And by the time this has gone in, they should be good to go onto here. So that goes on there like that. Nice, ready for that to be attached to the rest of this. This is going on there, and that's going on there, and everything's going together. That goes on there like that. That way up. No, that way up. That pin's got to go into there. That's too close. What? That's good at there, but that's not there. It is like that. It just doesn't go down quite as far as I thought it did. So that's going to go on there like that. Let's see if this is ready. It's moving, so it must be ready. Let's get one of those off. This is going to go in the middle of the 2 screws on the outside there. A bit like that. That's pretty much in the middle. And that's pretty much on there. Where's the other one? There it is. It's also moving around. So let's grab that. Come on. There we go. Goes same way up. Just on there. The same positions. It's about as close as I'm going to get them. Yep. Anyway, dry those off, and then we'll see about attaching the rest of everything. I'll get rid of the water as well. Right ho, there we go. That's that attached onto there. So this goes onto the top of that. Like that. And a single one of those screws holds this in through there. right in the middle. If I can get it right in the middle. Oh, I can't line that up. Let's try it one bit at a time to get that through there. There we go. That's in there. Then that should go into there. There we go. Then I can worry about getting this all lined up properly. That lines up onto there. And then that goes across the top of that. I don't think that matters which way round that goes. Maybe it does. I might have to play with this a little bit and get that working out. But once that's right, that goes onto the bottom there with 2 more of those screws. And then we'll see about attaching that and the tube to the body. So there we go. That is that fitted onto there now. Then that goes onto that one. It's keyed in, so you've got to make sure it's all rotated the right way round. That goes on there like so. And our final screw holds that together through the bottom there. And we've got lots of other fixing points on here, which obviously we're going to be building up. Reminds me very much of the DeLorean engine bay sort of thing. So this is going onto there. Tube fitted onto there and into that hole down there as well. That's where the end of that goes. So there we go. That is one issue completed, one stage completed of that. And yeah, let me clear this out of the way and we'll have a flick through the rest of the magazine. So this is issue 35 of the ever-growing volume for Build the Ghostbusters Ecto-1. Let's have a look through here. We've got the building stuff that we've already done all of. Remembering doing all of that, except for the putting it onto the car bit. I haven't been able to do that yet. So looking at this, we've got obviously to fit the chassis onto the car, which the chassis is pretty much finished, I think. We've got these tubes and bits to fit on. But apart from that, routing some wires, there's those lights we haven't got yet on the back. So I'm missing a couple of volumes in between, this and what I've done previously. So yeah, we'll get there. But that's what we got so far. That's what we did earlier. This is what we did today. And that's what we're left with at 134. So let's have a look. The actual magazine itself is going to be telling us things about the soundtrack of the Ghostbusters 2. Yeah, Ray Parker Jr.'s catchy theme from the original. It's always going to be difficult to top it. But yeah, it's all right. Did it okay. Bobby Brown was the headliner, obviously, on her own. Yeah, I quite liked it. It was good. The slime scooper. Oh, that's where they used to pick up the slime from the river underneath. Puzzle Busters. Not sure about that. Illustrated puzzle book. Cool. And the art of Kurt W. Connor. Obviously what became library scene and everything else. So the Chinatown Ghost is on there looking at in there. I don't remember that, but there we go. And next time, let's see what we got. This is obviously going to be more stuff for the roof rack. Can't tell what bits are what. No idea. Lots of tubes and things and a fan. Some sort of side brackets on top or underneath the bit that we've just done, maybe. Don't know. Can't tell what any of those are, but we'll get to them soon. So for now, that's that. That's the end of another month's delivery, so I'll see you for more when I get it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.